To make a toe prop, you'll need the following materials: low density EVA or wool felt, tubular gauze, hyperfix or sports tape, and a pair of scissors. Start the procedure by ensuring correct hand hygiene practices have been followed before seeing a new client. Before starting, explain what a toe prop is to the person and why you are looking to use it. It is also important to explain and discuss the cautions with the client to ensure it is safe to progress. Ask the person if they can reach their feet. Instruct them to do this while watching. Inspect the person's shoes and assess whether they are suitable or not. Look closely to ensure there will be enough toe space to allow for the toe prop. Look closely at the person's toes. Put a finger width under the toes to compare if it will fit or be a problem. Hold the low density EVA or wool felt up against the foot to measure the width required. Depending on the person's foot and what you are trying to achieve, the width of the EVA should be 2 or 3 toes. Cut the padding to size using the appropriate scissors. Check the width against the foot again and trim any excess width. Try to avoid any excess waste. Firmly roll the low density EVA or wool felt material into a tightly compressed tube. Use hyperfix or sports tape to secure the tube into position. Keep it firmly pressed together. Cut and trim the leading edges of the material to create a smooth surface. This process is called skiving. Cut an appropriate length of tubular gauze. Slide the prop into the tubular gauze and move it to the center. Fit the toe prop to the person's foot and recheck the alignment of where the padding will sit. Make sure that the diameter of the padding within the toe prop is appropriate. Too large may cause additional pressure on the dorsum or top of the toes. Too small will not deflect pressure. Take a small section of sports tape or hyperfix and fix the overlapping edges together to form a flat band. See how the finished product fits and check that it effectively offloads the area as the person stands. Check the feet after wearing the toe prop for an hour for the first time. Stop wearing it if it causes any rubbing or blistering. Don't wear if it hurts or feels uncomfortable. Ensure the toes comfortably fit in the shoes and this does not cause increased pressure. Otherwise, high-risk toe prop will place additional pressure on the foot rather than deflect it. The person must check their feet daily, and if they notice any pain, redness, or concern, they must report to the medical service. They must not get the device wet, and they must wear the device anytime walking to redistribute pressure from the toes. Make sure the person is able to remove the device. Organize a follow-up appointment to assess the effectiveness of the toe prop. Discuss and agree on any other actions